Good morning and welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change the password of your Outlook account. So Outlook is basically known as Gmail in the past, but later it got bought by Microsoft. Now it's known as Outlook. All right, so don't get confused. So the process of changing a password in Hotmail and Outlook is same because both of them are same. All right, now remember, changing your password of Outlook means changing your Microsoft account's password. So you gotta keep that in mind, alright? So when you're changing like your Gmail's password, you're actually changing a Google password. Over here, when you're changing your Outlook's password, you're actually changing your Microsoft account's password. So gotta be ready to, change your Microsoft account's password as well, because you cannot just only change your Outlook's password. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in order to change the password of your Outlook account. Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, One to Step, for future videos just like this as well. Let's move on. First step, you can come to your Outlook mail account, log in into your account, and click on your profile picture over here. And click on my Microsoft account, and it's going to take you to your Microsoft account setting. And over here, there's going to be a change password option right below security. You can just click on it. And over here, first, it's going to ask you to verify your identity. So I have linked my email, so I'm just going to click on email. And I'm going to enter my email over here and click on send code. You also do that. Now, once you go to your email, check the code and type it over here. You want to click on verify. Once you do that, it's going to verify that you're the owner of the account. Once you do that, click on get it now. And on the next page, you want to click on skip over here. And it's going to take you to the password reset page. Over here, you need to enter your current password. After entering your current password, you need to enter your new password over here. After entering your new password, enter it again to confirm it, just like I'm doing over here. And click on save, and your new password should be changed. Alright, so that's how you guys can change your password of your Outlook or your Hotmail. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.